Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about 7 AI tools that literally blow your mind. You really need to know about these tools in 2023. So let's start. Number 1 AI tools name is 11 Labs. You can literally generate here realistic and versatile AI speech. Let me show you how you can do that. First you need to type here your content. Let me paste my content here. Then here is lots of voices you can choose, but I am not going to choose anyone. And here is the preview option. Let me show you an example.
America, officially known as the United States of America, is a country located in North America.
Now you can click here the download button and download the audio. Okay, this AI tool is absolutely free. You can go their website and use this AI tool. Now I am going to talk about the second AI tool. This AI tool name is Lexica. In this AI tool you can literally generate any art as like midjourney. Let me show you an example. You can click here to generate and type here your prompt and click here to generate. Okay, look, it's give amazing result as like midjourney. You can also download this picture from here. This AI tool is absolutely free. You can also click here home and search here by prompt. Let me show you an example. I search here this prompt and here is the result, awesome result. So you can also copy their prompt and use them, and you can also download the picture from here. Okay, now I am going to talk about the third AI tool. This AI tool name is d.id. In this AI tool you can literally generate any video for your content. Okay, let me show you an example. I am not choose here any presenter, but I am upload here a picture. Let's upload this one. Then you need to type here your script. Let me type here my script like this one. Then you need to click here to generate video. Now you need to wait here a few seconds. Click here to generate. Okay, it's done. Let me show you the result.
Bangladesh is a country located in South Asia, bordered by India to the north, east, and west, and Myanmar.
Now you can literally download this video by clicking here the download button. Okay, this AI tool is absolutely free. When you log in this AI tool, it's give you 15 credit and you can use them to generate video in this AI tools. Okay, now I am going to talk about the fourth AI tool. This AI tool name is Quick Tools by Pixart. In this AI tool you can do many things, as like here is the convert option. Here is JPG to PDF convert. Here is PDF to JPG convert. Here is lots of tools. Then here is the text option. Here is also lots of tools. Here is the design option. Here you can remove your picture background, also make profile picture. Here is PDF option. Here is lots of option. Here is color, so you can color your picture, and here is lots of option you can choose. Everything is free. This tool is absolutely free. Here is image option. Here is lots of option, you can use them. Here is the video option. Here is also lots of option, you can use them. This AI tools is absolutely free, so go and check there. Now I am going to talk about the fifth AI tool. This AI tool name is lalal.ai. In this AI tool you can literally separate vocal and instrument from your audio. Okay, let me show you an example. First you need to upload here a file. I am going to upload this file. Now listen the preview. Click here to vocal. And that's the instrument. So this AI tool is absolutely free. You can go and check there. Now I am going to talk about the sixth AI tool. This AI tool name is character. This AI tool is same as ChatGPT. You can talk to any of this bot. Like, let me show you an example. I am going to talk to here this pair programmer. One more thing, in this AI tool you can literally make any code, and you can also make any app by this programmer. Okay, let me show you an example. So in this AI tool have lots of options. You can go and figure out that. Now I am going to talk about the seventh AI tool. This AI tool name is image to cartoon. You can literally make your image to cartoon. Let me show you an example. Click here to upload an image. Then you need to upload here an image. Let me upload. Now you need to choose the character, female. Now wait few seconds. Okay, it's done. Now you can download this image from here. Like I am downloading, and you can use them on social media or on your profile picture. So the result is awesome. Go and check this AI.